Hey guys, how's it going? I got a really huge Evike order this morning. It's about, I don't know, $3,000 to $4,000 worth of retail product. I don't even remember everything that I ordered, so I thought we'd just do an unboxing video and I would refresh my memory for you guys. So let's just get started. I got this fairly decent sized box here. There's a couple of guns and a bunch of Thunder Bees. That's all I remember. Let's see what else I ordered. And yeah, I'm at home and my dog is a barking dog. Sorry about that. Alright. There we go. Those mesh scarves that everybody likes. Oh, we got a bunch of these. Awesome. Lots and lots and lots of mesh scarves, looks like. These are good sellers. I sell these for about $10 a piece. For fields that absolutely require face protection. This is not very heavy. They're not very heavy, they breathe really well. They're big enough to go all the way around your face, so you can get you can get a full face and ear protection, so you can meet this insurance requirements without actually having to have like a ridiculous full plastic mask or full metal mask. So I got tons of these. Looks like I've got them in 3-color DCU, woodland, and OD green. So lots of those. Evike barrel sleeves, because my barrel sleeve manufacturer is being slow. About 50 Evike barrel sleeves. This is probably a customer order. Some man pouches. 100 Thunder Bee cores. 100. DB speed loaders. This is definitely some customer order. What else do we have in here? An empty UPS Express mailing envelope. Good job, Evike. Map 11 magazine. This is customer order, I guarantee it. Batteries. I'm not really sure. Pistol mag. Definitely a customer order. Hey, if you ordered stuff for me, it's in. Oh, that's a LiPo battery. Okay, so that's the medium box, the medium-sized box. Bunch of Thunder Bees, bunch of stuff people ordered from me, batteries, mag pouches, etc. 100 Thunder Bee cores. That's pretty exciting. Thunder Bees, we're going to try and stock those all the time. Let's move my chair out of the way. I don't know what the heck's in this giant box. This box is huge. It's taller than some of the airsofters we saw this weekend. Box. Yeah, it's all gonna fall out. It's too heavy to pick up and put on the table. I gotta throw it on my back. So hang on, I'll pull stuff out, I'll throw it on the table for you. Thunder Bee shells. Lots of Thunder Bee shells. And more Thunder Bee cores. And guns. There's guns in here. We got lots of flat pack shells. I don't know what this is. But this is our raffle prize that we missed this weekend. It is. That's been Herstall P90. I'm guessing this is probably a King Arms. It's got full license trades. Always wanted a P90. It's got a metal upper. Forgot how small these are. Nice little P90. Young player won that. Somebody between 13 years old. He was extremely excited. I would be too. Alright, so we got a P90. A really big gun box. I want to say that is saw. Big box. Alright, let's see what's inside this thing. Looks like an A&K 249 saw. Like the one we gave away in March. I'll get this down on the table where you guys can see this stuff. Alright, so full stock rather than the paratroop version, A&K 249 saw. These things are so heavy. I believe this is Boxer's saw. If you guys know Boxer, Boxer is our chief of staff at the DFW Adventure Park. He red shirts for me once a month there and helps me wrangle all the volunteer admin. He's a heck of a nice guy and he keeps us all in line. So, just to recap, we've got the A&K 249 saw, full stock. We've got what looks like 144 Thunder Bee cores, or I'm sorry, Thunder Bee shells, 100 Thunder Bee cores, a P90, full license P90, a bunch of mesh face scarves and Evike barrel socks, and looks like a lot of customer ordered merchandise. So, this is my daily Monday. This is my weekly Monday. Mondays are usually when I start getting stuff in. Mondays and Fridays. Mondays and Fridays are my days. I've got boxes everywhere. Product, 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 product. You look inside my office, and usually there's tons of boxes in here too. It's ridiculous. The lighting in here is pretty terrible, but boxes, boxes. There's boxes under there. There's a cat and some paper. Boxes, 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 boxes. Oh look, a Chris Vector. Welcome to my weekly routine. that's pretty much it, guys. Getting a lot of product in. We look like we're going to be expanding our inventory this spring and summer. So if you need stuff, let me know. I'll be bringing things to games to sell at the games, and I'll be doing custom orders and shipping products to people just like any other web store. So those things are moving for me. Let me know if you need any products, and I will be sure and help hook you up. I'll start doing these unboxing videos and talking about what I have in stock and ready to ship, and keep you guys up to date with what's going on with Geddon's games. And we'll see you at the game.